Yo, what's good? Today I took one trade and I took one win. I live recorded this one, which is pretty funny. I honestly like doing that. That was pretty fun, but yeah, I'll just go over the trade. I explained all of my thought process and everything in the other one in the actual video, but yeah, okay. So the trade was on GBP. I'll start with this one. So 4 hour, 4 hour was prior to the weekly gap. We were bearish and we hadn't confirmed bullish structure until we I don't know if that's like a break of structure to the upside after this 3 a.m. candle, but yeah. So we wait. So this 4 hour candle closed at 7. Interesting. So that was a close. Okay, yeah, I don't know, but I didn't actually notice that. I'm not really sure how to know if we broke structure, like based on like the weekly. Like, do I treat this as a high then, and then we just broke structure to the upside, or do I just continue bullish? I mean bearish. I don't really know, but I was bearish, looking for sells. So on the 30-minute we had London highs, London lows, Asian highs, and Asian lows. So these were pretty. It was like a pretty far target that I had. I looked pretty good, honestly. So yeah, so we came into the London high. Honestly, now that I look back at it, this was not really that much of an interaction, but I still, because we saw like the big reaction off of this, I honestly like that about it. So then I entered off of the inverse fair value cap. Yeah, and then so I was on vacation the last weekend, and we were like driving and we didn't have any service for like half of the drive, and I entered this like when we drove. So I think I took like 50% off like right here, like at 0.75, made a little bit off that, and then put stops to break even because I didn't really want because okay, like I don't, it sounds like I'm making excuses, like maybe I am, but like, so so I took this off right before we were going to lose service, right? So then, because I wanted to be able to, because what if I got stopped out and like it wouldn't like contact the server or something, right? And then because I wouldn't have any service and it would just like cook myself up, right? So I just thought it would be safer to move to break even so there's nothing to lose and then just guarantee some profit. So yeah, but I mean, what did end up happening? Got stopped out of break even, and then we pushed higher into it, and then we had a full movement to the downside and hit the ideal target. So I had another take profit. Ideally, this is gonna be my first take profit, like somewhere around here, like this for value, like not for value, but like this kind of like order block kind of thing. This is not a 1-to-1, but this is honestly like the first target I had, or maybe even like something like this. This is kind of what I was looking. Wait, I have it right here. It's been there. It's just I deleted it after. But yeah, this was ideally the first target. We were getting close to it, but by the time we got into like the no service area, where I literally searched up service coverage for Rogers, but yeah, we do end up coming down, taking out this target, coming into 4 hour equilibrium and continuing up, and that was like honestly a pretty good target to have. So yeah, I mean, I'm happy that the trade idea was right. I'm just a bit sad that I wasn't able to manage this position properly, because otherwise I would have had alerts here, because I was watching this trade and it kind of got emotional about it. So yeah, I would have set alerts here, wouldn't have gone stopped out, would have had like a proper risk reward, like a one that would have been nice, and then took another 50% off here. So yeah, man, I actually could have been breaded today, but it's all G. Now I feel sad, but that's just greed. I should be happy that I didn't lose anything and that I was able to make something still. But yeah, maybe I was just being a little emotional and wanting to take profits early. But honestly, I think it's better to play it safe, kind of, because I don't really understand how everything still works fully, right? So yeah, bro, now I'm kind of sad. Now I'm thinking about it, bro. It's like, so if I risk 1%, this would have been 110, so this would have been 55. So then I would have had another 50 running, and then 50 multiplied by 1.85. Yeah, it would have been like 140. Bro. 55. And then I would have another 50 running without it. Bro. Now my head hurts. Bro, now I actually feel like shit, bro. Fuck, I shouldn't have done that. Bro, I actually feel sad now, bro. I feel like mad and annoyed. Okay, well, bro, I actually feel like I'm pissed now, bro. But on GBPUSD, we just had London highs, London lows. 4 hour was bullish. Closed above this high to the upside, so I was looking for buys. So honestly, I was waiting for the London low to come into and then look for a reaction off of that. We didn't come into London lows until way later, so then I didn't enter off of anything. But yeah, we wicked into here, but we never broke structure. So, and then EURUSD, bro, is like, bro, like there's like these two were way too high to target, so I didn't really want to enter off anything on that. But this should have been like, bro, freak, man, I'm getting emotional pain now. Bro, I gotta clear my mind again, bro. 1.83. I only made like 30, bro. Cause this is like, bro, actually, maybe I should have just let it run, bro. Bro, now this is like, my nose bleeding, bro. It's just like, this is a lesson to like learn to hold my positions and not be impatient. Hold position long and do not rush taking profits. See, this was a trade. This was a good setup trade, and this was a setup that adds to the profitability of my edge. And now like, bro, I just gotta hope that the next couple, like, cause bro, if I made 30 risking 1%, now if I risk another 1%, and I lose that, bro, I'm just losing money instead of making it, you know? It's not like, this is like freaking negative business cycle, bro. Like, this is like, bro, fuck, bro, now I'm actually annoyed, bro. I gotta clear my mind again now. Frick, man. Why am I getting them? Now I am mad because TPs were hit after moving SL to be even, was hit a premature TP. Am I just finding excuses to say that I was right? I am finding excuses, I feel like I am. I gotta journal some more, but plan followed? No, that's not a followed plan. TP did get hit, but that was not my plan followed. Bro, I wish I didn't go on the trip now, bro. Bro, it's all good, bro. I just gotta remember to stay patient tomorrow as well, and like trade like how I did today. Like today I was like honestly trading pretty fine. Like, bro, I just gotta be patient, bro. I need to do something with my brain, bro. That's all, bro, for today. Goodbye. Bro, I'm getting greedy. That's the thing, bro.